What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. And now it is Wednesday, it's midweek, and so I know you guys have been watching the stock market. So today's video, we're gonna give the people what they want. We're gonna have a look at the stock market. We'll discuss a few of the plays I'm making, and also I'll let you guys know some of my interesting finds. But before we get into that today, I just wanna announce something. 2 days from now, Friday, 19th of June, we have a pre-order for my newest smartwatches. They've just come in, some new colors as well, so you gotta go check those out. Keep your eyes open to see what's going on with that. I thought it'd be nice to give you guys a sneak peek of a couple of colors, but this is not everything we have. We have men's, we have women's, we have other colors, so make sure you guys are there Friday. Go check those out. They'll be available for pre-order. But like I said, today we're gonna dive into the stock market, see what's going on. But before we do that, I wanna remind you, do not invest in anything that people tell you to invest in. Do not put your hard-earned money into anything people tell you to put your hard-earned money into. Do your own research, make your own decisions, and do not make trades based on what other people are doing.
All right, guys, so let's take a look at what I'm watching over the next 2-3 days as the stock market continues to do some crazy things. So to start off with, GNUS, I see a lot of potential here. It is actually down right now 14.2%. I'm not quite sure why, but again, if something is down so much, that's an opportunity. So I'll keep my eyes close on this one. As you guys can see, it's been going up and down, the last few days, as most stocks have been doing. But yeah, I'm keeping my eyes out on this one. So what else are we looking at? There's a couple that I really want to look at today. Well, a few of them actually. One of them is Beyond Meat. One of them is GNUS. One of them is Nicola. And one of them is AMC. So we've got other stocks which we'll also, have a little look at. But like I said, we'll focus on the ones I just mentioned now. I've got a couple other ones, like I said, that I want to look at, but we'll focus on these for now. So to start off with, Beyond Meat. Now, this has been an absolute monster. If you guys don't know Beyond Meat, they make burgers, stuff like that, from plants. Now, this one has just been a monster in the last, I'd say, 6 to 8 weeks. Because it was, when I was going to invest in it, it was around $90. As you guys can see, it's $162. And it just seems like whatever happens, no matter what goes on, if the stocks are down, it's up. Stocks are up, it's up even more. It's just like nothing that's going on around it affects it at all. Beyond Meat is a very good one to look at if you guys are interested in something you can hold long term. But like I said, it's just been a monster recently, going up and up and up. So as you guys can see, it's trading way above the MA line, which is a good sign. Green candlesticks, another good sign. And same with the MACD indicators, higher than the MACD indicator, and it's, to be honest, it just looks like it's going to keep going up. Obviously, it's going to, probably take some dips. It's not going to suffer a full reversal, but it's going to keep going up at this point. Up 7.6% today. The market has only been open for 12 minutes. Now let's take a look at Nicola. As we spoke about last week, this one has been going up and down, up and down. Yesterday it was down. The last few days it's been down. The last great day it had was Monday, where it was up. So Monday it was trading at just above $70. And if you guys didn't watch my video from last week, Nicola, ticker symbol NKLA, is a Nicola Motors. It's also known as Nicola Motors, and it is pretty much been created to eventually, rival Tesla. That's what the idea is behind it. We'll see what does happen when it comes to electric vehicles, but that's pretty much what it is about. Will they rival Tesla? Who knows? So far they don't have much to show for it apart from a very strong market cap. But like I said, it's been created to rival Tesla. They had a merger a couple weeks ago now, and yeah, this stock has been going up and down. There was a lot of hype behind it. It was actually trading at just about $30 per share. This is, like I said, 2 weeks ago, and the price has doubled since then. But now, as we've seen some consolidation, and again, it's one to watch because I don't know what's going to happen to it. I'm just keeping a close eye on it, so I can see if I do see a potential, opportunity to invest, then I definitely will. But if it keeps fluctuating like it is, then I'm just going to keep my money out of it for now because it looks like it's going more down than up right now. So yeah, that's Nicola for you. Now let's take a look at AMC. As you guys know, AMC Theaters, they announced earnings last week and the stock shot up to almost $7 at one point during the day. I think actually pre-market it hit $7. It has of like $7.20, I think. Now it is currently trading at $5.50 per share. But I do not think it stops here, to be honest. Within the next month or so, I'd say you're going to see movie theaters start opening up again. It's been on, a bit on the downside recently, trading below the MACD indicator and also below the MA line. But as you guys can see here, it looks like we could possibly be seeing a reversal soon, so it starts to trend upwards again, as it has done in the past. But again, AMC is just one to keep your eyes on when people start going back to the theaters. IMAX, as I said before, is another theater that you guys can look at. Now, lastly, let's take a look at NAIL. This is a double leveraged ETF, and it's been on the uptrend last few days. It's been on the rise, whereas down last week it was more on the downside. So over the last 5 days, let's look at NAIL. Like I said, it's been trending upwards. It was trading at $22 per share on Monday. Within 2 days, it has gained almost 40% and it's now trading at $30.83 per share. I actually bought it at $29, so this was last week before it actually dipped. So I thought about picking up more shares, when it dipped even more, but I sat this one out and just kept what I had already, stuck to my few shares there. So right now, looking at it, like I said, it's triple leverage. So when it goes up hard, and when it goes down, it drops hard as well. Right now, it is trading above the MACD indicator, and I don't know. Let's see. It will be interesting to see what happens over the next couple of days. Today, I'll definitely be watching it if I were you guys. If it dips again, you guys see it below, $25. Definitely keep your eye on it and look where you see opportunities so you can potentially invest in it. Added to that, I think let's take a look at TNA. This is a triple leverage ETF as well. Over the last few days, TNA has been on the rise, just like NAIL. But the thing with TNA is, within the last month, we've seen it touch $35 per share. I think you could still see it go up potentially towards, $40 per share. But right now, it's currently trading at $28.35 per share. Over the last 5 days, like I said, it's been going up steadily. We have not really been seeing higher highs or lower lows. It's kind of just been consolidating around the $28 mark, 28, 2050 mark. So this one you've got to just watch out for. But again, potential 30% returns overall. There was a big jump here from market close on Monday to market open yesterday. That was a $3 jump, but we haven't seen anything like that today or any of the past days. So you just got to keep your eye out, keep looking through, some of the stocks I've got here if you want to. But as always, don't put your money into anything. If we tell you to put your money into, make sure you guys do your research before you invest in anything. And of course, as always, it is your money, it is your decision, so go in there with a plan. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe, share, comment, all the good stuff as always. Please let me know what you guys would like to see when it comes to stock breakdowns. Let me know if you want me to trade pre-market, after-market, whatever you guys want to see. Just give me a shout and I'll help you guys out with that. So thanks a lot for watching today's video, guys. That is it for today. Good luck trading. Hopefully you guys end with a clean day. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.